In the next few minutes, we're going to build an AI agent using viaSocket, all without writing a single line of code. That automatically qualifies leads and takes actions on your behalf. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own AI agents that can do things like analyze information, make decisions, and perform actions automatically. Imagine you're running a business. A new lead fills out a form on your website. Normally, someone from your team would need to read the lead details, check whether the lead is a good fit, then add the lead to a CRM, then send a follow-up email, then notify the sales team, and then schedule a reminder. Now imagine an AI employee doing all of that for you. The moment a lead submits the form, the AI reads the information, analyzes it, and decides, is this a hot lead, warm lead, or cold lead? Based on that decision, it automatically sends a personalized email, updates your CRM, notifies your sales team, and schedules follow-ups. No manual work required. That's exactly what we're going to build today. Let's get started inside viaSocket. Now log into viaSocket. First, open your viaSocket workspace and go to AI Agents from the sidebar. Click Create New Agent. Now describe what you want this agent to do in plain words. For example, analyze incoming leads, classify them as hot, warm, or cold, and perform appropriate follow-up actions. Now click on Create New Agent. viaSocket reads your purpose and builds the agent for you. This is where your agent gets its brain. The AI auto-generates the role, the goal, and the instructions from your purpose. Now we edit them to fit exactly what we need. The role tells the agent who it is. The goal tells it what to achieve. The instructions are the most important part. The clearer your instructions, the less you ever have to do by hand again. So spell out exactly how to classify a lead and what to do for each one. Once you're happy, save the prompt. You can grab the exact role, goal, and instructions we use from the description box and try the same setup yourself. Your agent can think now, so let's give it the power to act. Open the Connectors tab. In the Tools section, click Add Tool. First, your agent needs a way to reply to leads, so add Gmail and connect it if it's not connected yet. Next, it needs to save every lead into your CRM, so add HubSpot, connect it, so it can create and update contacts. Now your team should know the moment a lead comes in, so add Slack to notify them. And to book demos and sales calls, add Google Meet so it can schedule them. And that's it. All your tools are connected. Before going live, open the test use case window and run a few sample leads. If the agent responds the way you want, you're good to go. If not, tweak the instructions and test again until it does. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your AI agent is now live. Now let's put your agent to work. But in order to use this agent, we need a source of leads, and that is Gmail. To connect this agent, we are going to create a new flow. Move to Flows from sidebar, click on Create New Flow. The first step is where your leads come from, so search for Gmail and select it. This is the entry point for every email that lands in your inbox. But here's the thing, not every email is a lead, so we add a condition on the subject line. Set a filter that checks the email subject. Only emails whose subject matches your lead pattern will pass through. This way your agent receives only the emails that are actual leads, and nothing else. Once the subject filter is set, add the next step. Search for AI agent. Choose Call AI Agent instantly. Open the AI Agent field and select the agent you just built, your lead classification and follow-up agent. In the user message, pass the email details you want it to read. Analyze incoming leads, classify them as hot, warm, or cold, and perform appropriate follow-up actions. Now your agent reads each lead email, analyzes it, classifies it, and performs the right follow-up on its own. Click Save, publish your changes, and your workflow is live. That's the power of an AI agent. Instead of just generating text, it can analyze information, use tools, make decisions, and perform actions to achieve a goal. And with viaSocket, you can build agents like this for sales, customer support, operations, HR, and almost any workflow you run. But sometimes the smartest move is to bring a human into the loop. In the next video, we'll show you how to set up human intervention in your workflow. It will first ask a human for approval. You can approve it right from your email, Telegram, or Slack. Once a human approves, the flow continues and completes its actions. This way, you stay in control of the decisions that matter. We'll set this up step by step in the next video. Until then, keep automating your manual work with viaSocket.